everyone, welcome back to my channel for the 12th video of my crystal series, which is ruby. So I have again forgot to turn on my camera when I started these nails. It's becoming a real habit for me these days, so I need to get my act together. Now this is the nude polish that I'll be using, and I've been featuring this in the last few videos, and it has a glitter in it, which I didn't know it had when I bought it, but I actually really love it, so I will be buying it again. So I put 2 coats of that nude on this nail, and then I used this cat eye gel glitter in it as well, and I used that on the other 3 nails I should say, and I just used 1 coat of that and then used the magnet, and then I used this glitter liner gel and just used it over the entire nail, which you'll be seeing again when I do the second coat. And of course, not to forget to use the cat eye magnet as well. Now for the second coat of the ruby, I'm using this Born Pretty glitter gel, and it's a bit transparent, but it does not have cat eye in it, and it's just a different color red, so I'm using that over the top for the second coat of the red nails, and I will put that on these 3, cure it, and I will be back. I'm just going to give this glitter nail a second thin coat. The first coat's pretty decent, but it does have a few patchy spots, so I'm just going to go over that and just smooth it out, and then I'll be back to show you what I'm going to do with the thumbnail. Okay, for the thumbnail I am going to do a smile line, just freehand, because I'm going to be lining it with the gold as well, so it doesn't have to be perfect. But do the smile line. I'm going to use the magnet because this polish is a cat eye. Then I will come back with the other red polish and do the same thing. And then I'll be back to show you the lining, which is just the gold liner, top coating, and then pretty much the nail set is almost done, but I am going to add some jewels to this one as well. Now I'm just going to line the outside of all these red nails with the gold glitter liner, and then I'll be back to finish the thumbnail. Now I've decided to add some jewels to the thumbnail, so I'm just picking out the jewels and deciding which design I might put on it. Now looking back, I'm not so sure whether this was a good idea or a bad idea. I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you prefer it without the jewel, just like it is like that, or do you think it looks good with the jewel design? I'm just going to do the diamond shape in the middle and some little triangles around it. I'd love to know what you think. I kind of also think maybe I should have stopped just after the first 3 jewels, but again, love to know your thoughts, because, you know, as I've mentioned before, I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, and sometimes I do things and I don't really like them, and and other people do. So I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think I should have done with this nail? Okay, here is the finished look of my ruby nails. What do you think, guys? Here they are on the mannequin. I do like them. I love the color. I love the polishes and the shimmer. I'm again not 100% sure if I'm liking the thumbnail too much, so tell me what you guys think. Did I do too many jewels? Should I maybe added something else? What would you have done? Love to know your thoughts. But till next time, thanks for watching.